In this video, we'll show you how to transfer calls, put them on hold, and use the park feature on your Yealink phone. Let's get into it. First up, transferring a call. The quickest way is a blind transfer. Here's how it works. Answer the call, press transfer, dial the extension or phone number, and hit B transfer. And the call is sent instantly. Now, what if you don't know the extension? No problem at all. Instead of dialing manually, you have a couple of shortcuts. You can press transfer and then tap directly on that person's BLF key. That's the speed dial button assigned to them on your phone. Or press transfer and open the directory, pick a contact from your company phone book, your personal contacts, or your call history, and hit B transfer. Now, if you want to announce the call first, that's called an attended transfer. Press transfer, dial the number or extension, press call, wait for them to answer, give them a heads up, then press transfer again to send it over. Next up, putting a call on hold. While you're on an active call, just press the hold soft key on your screen or the hold button on your phone, and the caller will be placed on hold. When you're ready to continue, just press resume or press the hold button again. And finally, parking a call. Think of parking a call like putting it in a waiting room, not just for you, but for anyone on your team who shares the same park buttons. While on a call, press any park button that's green. Green means available. The call is now parked, and that button turns red so your team knows there's a call waiting. To retrieve it, just press that same red park button and you're reconnected instantly. And that's it. Simple as that. If you need any help, reach out to us at support@advancednetworkservices.us. Thanks for watching.